Hey, it's Paul with Rack Attack, and this is the Dometic Duro 180 camp chair. This is Dometic's heavy-duty camp chair with a weight carrying capacity of up to 398 pounds. Yet the chair weighs in at only 15 pounds. It is constructed with 1200D polyester material. The D stands for denier, which is a unit of density. So 1200D means that this is double the density of many other lighter weight camp chairs. Also, the stitching is extremely durable with dual stitching in high stress locations. For example, on the back where it interfaces with the frame, dual stitching. You'll also find gussets in areas of high stress. The frame itself is tubular steel with a durable powder coat finish. Some other features you'll find here are an insulated cup holder. And let's go ahead and take a measurement of that so you can get a feel of the size of container that could be supported. So you're right about 3 3/4 inches, and depth-wise, about 6 inches. And there is a foam inner liner that will provide the insulation, as well as a drain, so any condensation will just drip through. On the opposite arm, you have a zippered closure, so you can put other items in that closure there. This one measures in at about 7 inches by about 2.5 and approximately 4.5 in depth. And if you need to clean this out, you can simply turn it inside out and easily wash it off or shake out any debris and then tuck that back in again. And it closes quickly and easily with the pull strap there for the dual zippers. Now you'll notice the shape of this chair is fairly upright and also sits off the ground at a good distance. Let's go ahead and take a measurement of that so you can get a feel for the height off the ground. So here you're at about 20 inches off the ground. So I'll go ahead and I am 5'10", and you can see how I fit in this chair. So ample space and also height off the ground. Makes it very easy to get off the chair and up. And it is relatively vertical in the positioning. Okay, this is also a folding chair. And so let's go ahead and fold it up. That way you can see exactly how compact it can be when you're traveling with this chair. So we'll just go ahead and insert it into the bag that's included. The chair comes fully assembled. Okay, and then you have a drawstring here. Okay, so the total height here is right at 42 inches, and it's about 9 inches by 9 inches. That gives you a good idea of the space requirements. And then you also have a handle to make it easy to carry out to your place where you'd like to sit. Okay, well those are all the key features of the Dometic Duro 180 camp chair. This product and many other Dometic products are available at rackattack.com. Please see the link in the video description for all your buying options. And if you have any questions about this product in particular, feel free to leave those in the comments section below. And consider subscribing. We have over 2,000 rack-related videos, and we upload new videos weekly. That's all for this one, and thanks for watching.